or B, where A and B can be arbitrary regular expressions. Okay. So it means there are two regular expressions. You can match with multiple. If first one fail, you can check with the second one. If the first one fail, you can check with what here second one. If first one fail, you can check with what second one. If first one fails, then you can check with what second one. Okay, right now you can write multiple expressions. So these multiple regular expressions are separated with what here pipe symbol. This multiple regular expressions are separated with what here pipe symbol. You are using a pipe symbol to define multiple regular expressions. Okay, so it will try to it will try to evaluate it from left to right. It will try to evaluate it from left to right. So once A matches, B will not be tested further. If A doesn't match, then only it will test for which one? B. If A doesn't matches, then only it will test B. If A matches, then B will not be tested. If A matches, B will not be tested. Okay, yes. So you can write multiple expressions here. You can have a multiple expressions. For example, so there is one string here. Multiple patterns. Okay, multiple patterns here. For example, there is a names list again. I take a names list. So I can give multiple expressions here. Okay. Assume that this is a names list which contain the list of names. Okay, this is a names list. And this names list is having list of names. So all these are the names. Naresh, Suresh, Kishore. All these are what your list of names. I can give multiple patterns for name in what is that? Names. Okay, I'm trying to say m equal to re dot search. So I can give multiple expressions, and that expressions are separated with what here? Cap symbol. That expressions are separated with what here? Cap symbol. So R, I said regular expression. I want to find the name. The name begin with which one? Okay, assume that the name begin with some n or what is that? S, n or S. Okay, so followed by either one character or more than one character. Now this is one expression. Then again I'm saying or I'm saying regular expression. So I'm writing name is end with either H or what is it? N. H or N end with H or N. So here I try to write how many regular expressions? 2. I try to write how many regular expressions here? 2. Now this is one expression and this is what here? another expression. If the first one is fail, then only it will check the second one. If the first one is fail, then only it will check the second one. Otherwise, no. So it will search in the name. If m is not equal to none, if m is not equal to none, then if it is matched, then you are displaying all those names. Oh, inside only we have to write. Inside only we have to write. Oh, come. Our name in names. Inside you have to write. M equal to RE dot search. RE dot search. Now this is a pattern. What is a pattern here? So starts with N or S, and this repetitions can be one or more, or this is or, and then I have to write H, or what is it? N, and end with what here? Yes. Comma str1. So if m is not equal to none, if m is not equal to none, then print what is it? Name. So print the name, but is it printed any names here? Right? So I said name should start with what? N or S. Now there is a plus or H or N and end with oh, str1. 1 minute. So I've taken str1, but it is actually what? Name. If m is not equal to none, then print what is that? Name. So name. So for name in names, so N or N. So what is the first one? First name is what? Naresh, right? As for names in name and for name in name, RE dot search. So begin with N or S followed by plus. Plus means one or more repetitions, or HRN followed by dollar. But first condition is true, right? Here name is begin with what? N. Then M is print, it should print the name, right? Which name it should print here? Naresh, because this Naresh is started with N or not? Yes. Why is not giving here? Some mistake here might be. So M is not equal to none. What happened here? I don't know. Yes. So might be some spaces. So N is match, S is match, R is there, but R is end with what here? H. Because first condition is false. Then look for which one? Second. First one is false. Look for which one? Second. Then end with H. End with which one here? N. Okay. Yes. Now you can write multiple conditions. Okay. Now you can write multiple conditions. You can write multiple patterns. And how you are separating these multiple patterns? You are separating these multiple patterns by using one symbol. What is that symbol you are using? Pipe. Okay. Either this pattern or this pattern means I'm listing the names whose name either begin with N or S. I'm listing the names. I'm listing the names Okay, right? So these are some of the characters here. Yes. Now this is called as a OR operator. Now I say no, this is for grouping it. Okay, parenthesis means, so there is a group. Just now we have seen grouping, right? So yeah, the grouping is done by using parenthesis. Grouping is done by using parenthesis here. Okay. So there is also some special sequences. There is also some special sequences. The special sequence consists of backslash and a character from the list below. These are called as some special sequences. There are some special sequences are there. But how these special sequences are represented by using backslash? The special sequences are defined by using backslash and it followed by one character, backslash number. So matches the content of the group of the same number. So groups are numbered from starting from one. For example, like you can also define backslash number. Okay, for example, if you are writing, the special sequence can be only used to match one of the first 99 groups. If the first digit of number is 0, a number is 3, octal digit are long. So here, if now this is based on a group. Okay, this is based on which one? Group. The same thing you can also write it by using backslash D. Backslash D is nothing but group, a group of digits that is indicates what here 0 to 9. Same thing, but in the place of backslash number, you can also use what here backslash D. Backslash D. Suppose backslash A is it. We'll discuss this one by one. So backslash A is it. In the place of this, I'm discussing this, right? Backslash A matches only at the start of the string. Matches only at the start of the string. That is called backslash A. But this is similar to cap symbol. In the place of backslash A, you can also use cap. Matches only at the start of the string. Backslash A matches only at the starting of the string. In the place of backslash A, you can also use which one? Cap. In the place of backslash A, you can also use cap symbol. Okay. Matches only at the starting of the string. Backslash B is there. Backslash B matches the empty string, but only at the beginning or end of the word. Okay. Backslash B is there. Backslash B. So backslash B. So what is this backslash B indicates here is matches the empty string. Backslash B matches the empty string, but only at the beginning or end of a word. matches the empty string but only at the beginning or end of a word. A word is defined as a sequence of word characters. A word is defined as a sequence of which characters? Word characters. Now for that you are using backslash B. Matches the empty string but only at the beginning or end of a word. A word is defined as a sequence of word characters. So generally what will happen when you're searching, right? It will try to search not as a word. For example, there is one string. Okay, within the string there is a Python and there is a py and there is a again py and again C Python like this. But within this, I want to find only py. I want to find so within this, I want to find which one? Py. I want to find the word called which one? Py. Not pattern, one word. So how many times py is there? Only one. How many words with py? Only one. But what will happen if I'm saying re dot find all? Find all. I want to search for which one? When you write this, now it will start searching from beginning to what? And py is there or not? Yes. Okay, and py is there or not? Yes. One more py, and in C Python also there is a py. But total how many py's are there? But I want to search for the py, only py. Word called which one? Py. Then what you do is, there should be some spaces or not? Yes. So regular expression, I'm writing backslash b. Backslash b, py, backslash b. I said backslash b matches the empty string but only at the beginning or end of a word. Okay, a word maybe begin with a space or end with what here? Space. Backslash b, comma, inside what here? str1. But how many times py is there? Only one time. How many times py is there? Only one time. So backslash b matches the empty string but only backslash b matches the empty string but only at the beginning or end of a word. A word is defined as a sequence of which characters? Word characters. Okay. So for that you are using backslash b. If I don't use backslash b, it just search for the pattern py within the string. So within Python, py is there. Within py, Python, py is there. And there is a py. And within C Python also there is what? Py. Within C Python also there is a py and there is a py. And this py is repeated how many times? Two times. And within this also there is a py, right? Within this also there is a py. Now if you write this, how many times this is repeated? Only one time. So backslash b indicates the space either before or what is that? After. Okay, space before or what is that? After. For that you are using backslash b. Backslash b is that, right? Backslash b, and there is a one more backslash capital B. This is opposite of this. Backslash capital B is opposite. Backslash capital B is the opposite of backslash B. Backslash capital B is opposite, right? Capital B is opposite of B, right? Matches the empty string, but only when it is not at the beginning or ending of a word. This means that py backslash b matches Python py3, py2, but not py dot and exclamatory. It means word. Generally, word is end with what? Space. Word is end with what? Space or dot, or what is that? Exclamatory. These are word end characters or not? Yes. But backslash b is just opposite of which one? Backslash b. So this is only word characters. This is only which characters? Word characters. So matches the empty string, but only when it is not at the beginning or end of the word. This means that py backslash b matches Python py3, py2, but not py or py dot or py exclamatory. So just here, there is one string. There is one string, and within this string, what is there? Python is there, and py1 is there, py2 is there, py dot is there, by exclamatory is there, and py space is there. Py space is there. So I want to find the py which doesn't end with word character. Word character means space. Word character means what here? Space, dot, exclamatory. All these are called which characters? Word characters. Then what will I do is I'll say list equal to re dot find all. I want to search for the pattern py which is not end with word character, which is not end with which one? Word character. Now if you see this py in Python, is it py is end with word character? No. Is it t is a word character? No. Then will it get this Python pyt or not? Yes. But this py and this is end with word character? No. 1. And this py is end with what here? 2. But this py is end with what? Dot. Dot is word character? Yes. And this py is end with which one? Exclamatory. It is a word character. And this py is followed by any character? No. This is end of the word. Okay, but it means, is it this 3 are written or not written? Not written. Okay. So str1, and if I say list, so what list contain this 3 py and py, and this is what here? Py. But is it 3 are written or not written? Not written. It means string is not end with. What is the meaning of this is the string is not end with. The string is not end with which character? Word character. The string is not end with word character. The string is not end with word character. The string is not end with word character. Okay, right? So that is called as backslash. Capital B is there. And there is a backslash D. Backslash D is nothing but digit. What is backslash D here? The backslash D indicate digits. Okay. So backslash D indicates digit. Match any decimal digit. This is equivalent to 0 to 9. Backslash D indicates digit. And this is equivalent to 0 to 9. Backslash D. In the place of 0 to 9, I can write directly which one? backslash D. In the place of 0 to 9, I can write directly backslash D. So that indicate digits from 0 to 9. In the place of that, you can directly write backslash D, and this indicates the digit matches any decimal digit, and this is equivalent to what here? 0 to 9. Matches any decimal digit, and this is equivalent to 0 to 9, right? Okay, right? So it means, for example, okay, assume that there is a mobile numbers are there. So there is a list of mobile numbers, but these are in the form of string. These are in the form of string with suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is 10. And this is one more mobile number. Okay, so this is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is one more mobile number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I take one more mobile number. But this time I take only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I take only 9 digits. So these are the mobile numbers. Mobile numbers. I want to validate certain mobile numbers. So from mobile number, for mobile number in mobile numbers, from mobile number in what here? Mobile numbers. Means every time you are reading one mobile number from the list of mobile numbers. Every time you are reading one mobile number from the list of mobile numbers, and then you are matching it by saying regular expression dot, what I'm saying here, full match. Okay, what is that here is, how many digits should be there? Exactly how many digits should be there? 10 digits. The mobile number should contain exactly how many digits? 10 digits should be there. Length of the mobile number should be how many digits? 10 digits. If it is less than, is it match or doesn't match? Doesn't match. If m is not equal to none, if m is not equal to none, I'm trying to print which one? Mobile number. I try to print mobile number, but how many mobile numbers are there here? 3. Because this fourth one is having how many digits? Only 9 digits. Having how many digits? Only 9 digits. Now suppose I want to find the mobile numbers. For example, I want to find the mobile numbers. M equal to RE dot, some full match. So I want to find the mobile numbers. Mobile numbers which followed by which one? Either the mobile number should start with either 8 or what is that? 9. The mobile number should start with either 8 or 9 and followed by exactly followed by how many digits? Okay, any number of followed by digits. Backslash D means what? Digits. And this digit should be repeated how many times here? 9 times. Okay, 8 to 9 followed by what here? Digit. Which digit? Any digit. 89 followed by any digit, but that should be repeated how many times? 9 times. Okay, 9 times. Comma, I'm saying this mobile number. If m is not equal to none, so I try to print what I print here? Mobile number. So how many mobile numbers starts with 9 and 8? Only two mobile numbers followed by how many digits? 9 digits. So 8 and 9, the mobile number start with 8 or 9 followed by what here? Digits. But this digit should be repeated how many times here? 9 times. Exactly 9 times it should be repeated so that the mobile number length should be what here? 10 digits. Mobile number length should be how many digits here? 10 digits. Now backslash D indicates what here? Digits. Backslash D indicates digits. This is equivalent to what here? 0 to 9. Backslash D indicates digits, that is equivalent to 0 to 9. So there is a backslash capital D is there, but this is opposite to backslash D other than digits. Okay, backslash capital D is there, but this capital D is other than what? Digits. Other than digits is called as a capital D, other than digits. So matches any character which is not a decimal digit. Matches any character which is not a decimal digit. This is opposite of which one? Backslash D. Backslash D is a digit, but backslash capital D is what? Other than digits. Backslash D is a digit. Backslash capital D is what? Other than digit. Other than digit. For example, name is there. Name should not start with the digit. Okay, name should not start with what here? Digit. It should not start with a digit. Other than digit, any character which is not a digit. Okay, name should not start with a digit. Okay, suppose name should not start with a digit. For example, user name is there. User name equal to which one? Naresh. User name equal to Naresh and R dot. I just write here. Okay, so it should not start with regular expression and backslash D. Okay, name should not start with a digit. Name should not start with which one? Digit. Username. Username. What is username here? Naresh. Is it Naresh is start with a digit or not start with a digit? Not start with a digit. You can use search also, no problem. This is what here search. So name should not start with a digit. And I print M, and is it name is started with digit or not started with digit? Not started. Okay. For example, username equal to 1 Naresh. I said 1 Naresh. And M equal to RE dot search regular expression backslash D. Okay, backslash D. And again I said username. But in this case, is it name is username is start with a digit or not? Yes. Then what it returns here? Okay. M search, not search. Begin with, right? Begin. Begin means what? Cap symbol. Begin means what here? Cap symbol should be there. So begin with backslash D. And what is that here? Username. And what is the match is written here? None. Why? Because here username is started with what? Digit. But I said username should not start with what here? Digit. Capital D means should not start with a digit. Not a digit. Backslash capital D is not a digit. And cap is what here? Beginning. What is cap indicates here? Beginning. And at the beginning, there should not be any digit. At the beginning, there should not be any digit. At the beginning, if there is a digit, okay, then it returns what here? None. So that is called as backslash capital D. That is called as backslash capital D. Okay, it is other than digit. Other than digit is called capital D. Okay, other than digit is called as which one here? Capital D. Okay, so there is a small d and there is what here? Capital D. Yes. So there are some more sequences are there like backslash S, backslash S, and backslash W, and capital W and Z. So once we complete this, we'll try to move to another chapter, and some functions are there like substitute. Okay, we'll see that function, and then we'll see another chapter. Okay, that is multi-threading. We'll see multi-threading and networking, multi-threading networking. Okay, we'll see these topics. Okay, then after that we'll see NumPy pandas, and then we'll see object orientation. That is classes and objects. Maybe more 10 classes might be take 10 to 12 classes. Okay. So even I'll tell you one project also with the Kinter. Kinter is what? GUI, graphical user interface. With the help of that Kinter, I'll explain one project. Okay. Right. We'll stop it here today and tomorrow we'll continue this. Okay.